What's up guys, Jerome here from the Bonsai Supply, and if this is your first time coming across our channel and you like bonsai, of course you guys are in luck, because this channel is all about bonsai. We learn bonsai together and we keep progressing our skills. Now of course, if you guys are a subscriber, welcome back and thank you so much for your support. Now in today's video, I'm going to need a little bit of help. So usually she is behind the camera, but today she's going to help me in front of the camera, and she's none other than my beautiful wife Mari. So come on in.
Hello everyone. All right, so I'm excited to be here. We are going to be looking back at some of the work done during 2022, during this year, as we start a new year. 2023 is around the corner, and we are excited to show you those projects and see their progression, and also what are the plans for 2023. We're gonna share those links of those videos, also the work that we talk about in 2022, so you can look back at those as well. And let's get this journey started.
Let's do it.
All right, so the first tree we're gonna see is one of my favorites, of course, is Encore. And if you have been watching this channel for a while, you recognize this one because it's a regular one in the videos. And it has come such a long way, and even been changed from climates from Florida to Georgia, has adapted well. And yeah, I'm excited to see what you did this year with it.
Yeah, so like you mentioned, like having it adapted to a different climate was very difficult, because at first it lost a few branches and I got set back a little bit, and so it took about 2 years to really acclimate to this climate up here. But then this year in 2022, I was really able to take advantage of letting it regrow all of the branches that I have lost and kind of reshape the tree. And what I like about it a lot is that I haven't used a lot of wire on the tree. So it's mostly been shaped with a clip and grow. And as you can see, it makes the tree look so much more natural and older at the same time. That's something that I really like about this tree. Now, this tree I've had longer than actually I've been with you. So
yeah, I mean that's a lot.
That one we actually.
So what are you saying? The tree is more important than me?
Never, I would never say that. I'm just saying that tree, I've had it longer than we've had the Bonsai Supply. So that tree goes very far back. And what I like about it a lot too, I picked up the statue in China, and then the tree I bought it from a big box store for like $20. And I made this combination. So it took about 10 years to bring it to this. But just so you can see like what's possible with taking something that's really not that expensive and over time turning into something really amazing.
Absolutely. And I mean, I love ficuses like this one. They're so great trees to begin with as well. We always get this question like, what is the best tree to start with? And one of our recommendations is always a ficus. It's really a really great tree. And I loved when we went to Disney.
Oh yeah, that was amazing.
And Epcot to show off this tree. It was such a great experience.
So for some of you that don't know, I have to interrupt you.
Yeah, sure.
So in Orlando, in Florida, if you're part of the bonsai club there, you can actually submit your tree to be displayed at the Flower and Garden Festival in Disney in Epcot, which is amazing. It's a huge honor. So this tree was displayed there for about 4 months. And so we got to drive it up there and bring it into Disney and display it, and that was amazing.
Yeah.
So that tree has been everywhere.
So we have given you a little background of the tree and what Jerome was working in the last 2 years, making sure that it was adapting to the new climate and working in the clip and grow technique. What is coming up for this tree in 2023?
You know, I really love the pot combination and tree combination. So I'm not gonna change the pot or any different angle. I'm just gonna chug along with this tree. Just keep moving forward. Keep working on refinement and refinement and refinement. This is the most rewarding stage for me right now. Is to just take it every year a step further and a step further and get it more, more dense, the canopy. So that's kind of what I'm going to be working on this year. But from now on, it's just going to be clip and grow moving forward. No more wiring. So.
All right. I'm excited to continue to see the development of this tree, and let's move to the next one.
All right.
So now we're gonna switch to a conifer and also a tree that has been wired. So it's a wiring technique. And this is an Alberta spruce. We got this tree last year, actually right after Christmas, to take advantage of those half prices. So make sure to visit your big box store to save, to rescue those trees that are gonna be half price. So the initial approach to this was to make it look like a Christmas tree. So we went for a formal upright. But this year, Jerome took it to the next level. And tell them what you did.
Of course. So it is important to note that the clip and grow method is easier done on tropicals and deciduous trees. However, on conifers, you're going to have to wire obviously a lot more. So having said that, we found this tree, like she said, on sale. It was like $40, which is amazing. And right after I gave the tree its very first styling, I wanted to make it look like a Christmas tree, but not like a Christmas tree, like a pyramid that's so triangular. I wanted it to be more natural and more round, like something you would see if you went hiking in British Columbia, let's say, if you ever happen to do that, that you would see a tree like that. And so right after the first styling, I noticed right away that this tree was going to be very special. And so I contacted my friend over at Huntington Adjacent, because he's known for making amazing slabs. And I collaborated with him on making the part for this tree. And this is obviously the part that he came up with. Now what I liked about it is that most of these slabs are used horizontally from left to right, just like that. But I turned the slab just a little bit to give the tree more dimension, give it more depth, and I think it works incredibly well. And I really love the combination of the tree and pot.
Me too.
So I don't think that's ever going to change in the foreseeable future, at least not.
So 2023.
2023, yes. I think I'm just gonna work on a tree in spring, because it is an elongating species, so you want to work on it before it buds out in the spring to take advantage of all of the growth. And then I'm just going to let it grow throughout the year and just slowly. This is a tree that you want to work on slowly. Work on it slowly, but make all your cuts at the right time, use good fertilizer, use good soil, put it in full sun, and really nurture it. And that's what I'm going to do. Work on it very slowly over the next couple of years, and just work on it and make it look better every year, hopefully.
Yeah, I'm very excited. This is a tree that really looked amazing within just a year, and I can't wait to see what else is going to become in the future.
I mean, I could see this tree being displayed at the national show in maybe 6 years from now.
Manifesting.
Yeah. Oh, you have to. Absolutely, something to look forward to.
Awesome. So let's see what else we have. And the last tree we wanted to share with you today is this wonderful Japanese maple, which is also one of our new ones.
I want to say newest one, newest addition to the family.
It's the newest addition. We are so impressed by how this tree has developed so quickly. I mean, we just found really great material. This was an amazing find, and I'm excited for Jerome to tell you more about it, because he has a mix of techniques already that he worked on this year on this tree.
So you may actually be surprised to hear that all of these amazing trees that are being added to my collections are actually found by this one, and not
I have
by
a good
me.
eye.
Yes, she does. She just wanders off into any direction and comes back with the best material ever. So this tree is absolutely incredible. It's a dwarf Japanese maple, Kurohime. The leaves are smaller than a nickel. They are super tiny naturally, and this tree is about probably 15 to 20 years old already. It is a dwarf variety, like I mentioned, and it was grown in a nursery in the ground, and they just hedge pruned it to make it look like a lollipop or something like that, I guess. When I saw it, I saw the thick trunk, and I saw all the branching and the nice taper. Right away, I knew I had to have it. So I took it home, obviously, and we did like a slip potting. So we broke down the root ball. We didn't disturb any of the roots really. We just broke down the soil around the root ball, worked it down, and then slip potted it into this box. And then I used one of my absolute favorite techniques, which is called the guide wire technique. So for this technique, you don't have to be, really skilled at wiring, because all you do is you attach a wire to the branch and then you just pull it down to about the right height that you want it to be, and you tie it onto the pot. Very, very easy and very straightforward. So this tree with just one styling, with one guide wire styling, I took it to a whole new level, and it actually has become my favorite tree in my collection now. I really love this tree.
You're gonna say that in front of the other trees.
But the trees are not here. I can say it. This is my favorite
Some video.
tree.
What if they watch the video?
What if they watch the video? Okay, let me rephrase it. It is one of my absolute... At the moment, exactly. This week is my favorite.
Yeah,
I really love this tree.
So that is a broom style, right?
It's a broom style, yeah. I never had a broom style tree before. This is my first one. Now another thing that I like about it is that it's naturally really twiggy, the tree. I do have a new pot that I'm going to repot this tree into in the spring. And of course I'm going to make a video about it. So you have to see this video because the pot and tree combination is going to look absolutely incredible.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's I'm excited. I'm excited to see this tree next year. And it's also, okay, so let's manifest. Where is this tree going to be shown at?
It's also going to be shown. It's going to be shown at the winter silhouette first, I would say.
Okay. I love it.
But I think this tree's about 4 years away from being shown there.
Okay.
Yeah, if everything goes according to plan, I would say 4 years is a good amount of time.
Wonderful. As we approach a new year, we're actually very excited for all of the projects, and we are very thankful for this year. It was a great year for our trees and for us.
Absolutely.
This year we'll also publish our book, Freestyle Bonsai, which is available on Amazon and Goodreads.com, and it's I believe United States, Canada, and Europe. So if you are watching from any of those countries, we will love you to check it out. So something that really was really great from this year, and we're very thankful for. So what are you thankful for this year?
I'm really thankful for you guys. I mean, we couldn't do any of this without you guys' support. So thank you guys so much for all of your support, and you guys are just really kind to us. You show us nothing but love, and that's really nice, and we really appreciate all of you guys. Yeah. So of course we are looking forward to learn some more bonsai together next year and really take our skills to the next level. I mean,
stay around because next year we are going to switch things up a little bit.
Yes.
You're going to be learning about techniques, bonsai techniques.
And species. And we are going to try to go live more often. That's something that we know you guys have been asking for. And for those that are new, we do monthly demonstrations where we go live and we work on a tree. You can ask questions. We're gonna try that. We're gonna try to do that more often as well than once a month. So stay tuned for that information. Make sure to follow our socials, the Bonsai Supply on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, and Jerome under Bonsai on Instagram and TikTok. Make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't done so already.
Yeah, so you'll be notified and you'll be on the loop of everything that's happening. So everyone, I mean, happy holidays. Have a wonderful new year. Please let us know in the comments what you thought about our projects, what you are excited about next year, and let us know if you have any questions. And as like always, this video, please, if you are a subscriber. If it's not, and what else?
What else? Well, we will catch you guys next time.
Next year.
We will catch you guys next year.
Bye.
Bye.